Alright guys, so we are on our way to get tickets for the horse ride, and Camden is a statue. Hey guys, this is Aaron from F5 Family Fun
and
Nicole from F5 Family Fun. We're here with all the kids. Boom, right there. Hey, what's up, kids? Say hi.
Hi. Bye bye. Bye bye.
All right, and so we're here to support the horses. This is in Kentucky, in Western Kentucky. So this is a couple-day long event. They have it every year. We'll give you guys the link below, show you guys where to go next year, and we'll see you guys out there on the horses.
Alright, we're gonna step forward. We're gonna, Alright. Alright, want to do this now?
You ready? All right. So here we go. Where are we going? To the gingerbread barn.
Oh, a camel.
A camel. Yes.
Hey, look.
Okay, let's go this way, kids. Camden. Claire. That's Claire. That's Fluffy. And that's Snowflake.
Yeah. Who's these grapes?
Who are they? I
Yeah.
don't know. What do you think their names are?
Mm-mm.
Looks like Bubbles, Stacy, Lily. Which one's Bubbles? That one. Which one's Stacy? Stacy. And who's Shelby? Yeah. I don't.
I like bubbles.
Here. Bubbles. Give me something. Yeah.
I was thinking, oh, they wouldn't like it, didn't I?
Here, see if she'll eat some more. All right, come on, Kenzie, let's go this way. Who are these? This is Briley, Billy, and Bumper. Is that right?
That bumper right there.
Which one's Bumper?
That one.
Has kind of like a woolly hair.
Oh, yeah.
That one?
Hair, this one over here.
Okay.
Riley is the white one, and Billy is the other one.
Briley and Billy. Oh yeah.
Watch the movie Star.
Pet his nose, Camden. Pet his ear. Look.
It's so soft. The nose is so soft.
Oh, yeah, there you're everywhere.
I don't see any. Oh, there's some in there.
Hey, do you guys want to see the camel? There's the hump. Here, we're gonna pick him up.
You know why he has a hump?
Yeah.
Why?
Because he had camel.
Oh, because there's water in his hump. Wow.
He don't have water. He can.
Look. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Da 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 dun 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 dun.
Whoa.
Look at his eyelashes. Wow.
Here, pet him, Kenzie.
I can't pet
Here, I'll get you, Camden.
Daisy.
Oh, who's in here?
Daisy.
Uh-oh, Daisy's in here.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, look at those horns.
Good cow.
Here, pet him. Pet the cow. Pet him.
I can't get there.
Oh, hurry.
Cow.
Cow. Hey, cow.
No.
Cow.
I only got.
All right, guys, so we are getting hungry. We are gonna absolutely go grab something to eat right now. We'll show you guys. It's a place called Up in Smoke, and Up in Smoke is delicious. I'm gonna show you guys. His name is Mr. Dan Todd. This place is awesome. If you guys are ever in Kentucky at an event, he's probably there. What's up, Dan Todd? Cooking some delicious meat. Say hi. Hey, Cannon, what are we eating, bud?
Why?
Sprite. We're having Sprite. And what else are we eating, Kenzie? A pork chop.
Oh, Sprite.
We're having a pork chop.
Now we eating Sprite.
We're just having Sprite. No, Sprite and pork chop.
No, only Sprite.
Look, hang on.
Can I hold it?
Here, what's it? Here, ow. He's trying to get me. He's trying to get me. Well, here, watch. What's this? Boom! Cheese. Got it. All right, you guys have some cheese now. All right, let's see if we can make this pork chop appear. Ready? Set. Boom! Pork chops arrived. Okay, guys, so we are leaving. This was so cool. Check this out. If you guys have ever seen Charlie the Unicorn,
Charlie, let's go to Candy Mountain, Charlie.
that looks exactly like Charlie the Unicorn. So you guys tell us. So we saw a lot of animals, but did we see any reindeer today? I don't know. You guys tell us in the comments below if you guys saw a reindeer today, and we're gonna catch back up with you guys probably this weekend. All right, we'll see you guys later. F5 family out.